Hello everyone, on today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to increase and decrease stitches. Sometimes when you're following a pattern you'll be asked to increase or decrease, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So to increase, we start off by making a stitch and then adding another stitch into the same one. It's that simple. So now we have put 2 stitches in our 1 stitch. So let's see that again. 1 stitch, and in that same stitch add 1 more. So now you can see that we have 2 stitches in 1. That's how we increase. And to decrease, let's see, we're going to make a stitch but not follow through, and then go into another stitch and pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops on our hook, and pull through. Let's see that again. So we put our hook through our loop, pull up a loop, go to the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then we have 3 loops on our hook and pull through. That's how you decrease a stitch. Let's see that again. We'll start our stitch, we pull up a loop, go to the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then we pull our yarn through all 3 loops. And that's how you decrease. Thanks for watching.